Good morning student. In today's video, I am going to explain similar triangle, test of similarity of triangle and properties of similar triangle. You know about the similar triangle. Now, see in these two triangle, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Congruent angles are represented by same symbol. From that we understand angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, and angle C is congruent to angle F. Therefore, in triangle ABC and triangle DF, angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, angle C is congruent to angle F. Okay, three corresponding angles are equal and see AB upon D, ratio of corresponding side. AB corresponds with which side? D side. Their ratio is AB upon D is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Okay. If two triangles are having their corresponding angles congruent, their corresponding sides are in proportion, then these two triangles are similar triangle. Therefore, triangle ABC, this is the symbol for the similarity of the triangle, similar to triangle DEF. Okay. Now see three angles and three sides are given there. Three angles are congruent and three corresponding sides are in proportion. Total six conditions are given here. But to prove the two triangles are similar or not, only three specific conditions are required and a group of such sufficient conditions is called the test of similarity of the triangle. Total three tests are given here. First one is the angle test, or we write angle test also. Okay. And second test of the similarity of the triangle is side test, and third is the side test. Okay. Now let's see the first test, angle test. Here I take two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In these two triangles, angle A is congruent with angle P, angle B is congruent with angle Q, angle C is congruent with angle R. Congruent angles represented by the same symbol. Okay. There is no information about their side. But these three conditions fulfill there. Correct? Three corresponding angles are congruent in these two triangles. Therefore, for this correspondence, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which test? Angle test. Okay. Out of six conditions, here we required the three condition only and three angles. Therefore, this is the test for the similarity of the triangle, and this is angle test of similarity of the triangle. Okay. Now see the next test. This is given side test. Okay. From this we understand two corresponding sides are in proportion and one angle between two corresponding sides is congruent. Then two triangles are similar by which test of the similarity? That is side test. Okay. Now let's say in triangle KLM and triangle PQR, one angle is given equal, that is angle L is congruent to angle Q. Okay, it is represented by same symbol. There is no information about the angle K, angle M, angle P and angle R. Clear? Now again what is given? Length of the side KL it is given 1, LM it is given 2, PQ is 1.5 and QR is equal to what? 3. Now in triangle KLM and triangle PQR, angle KLM is congruent to angle PQR. This is given. Okay. Now we see the ratio of the corresponding side. Now KL, its corresponding side is what? PQ. KL upon PQ is equal to, KL is equal to 1. PQ is given 1.5. We write 10 upon 15. 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Here we get the ratio of KL upon PQ is equal to 2 upon 3. Then we find out the ratio of this corresponding side, that is LM and the QR. LM upon QR, LM is given 2 and QR given 3. KL upon PQ is 2 upon 3. LQ upon QR is equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, we write KL upon PQ is equal to LM upon QR. This is equal to 2 upon 3. Now, in this true triangle, the ratio of two corresponding sides are equal or are in proportion, and angle between these two corresponding sides is congruent. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are similar by side angle side test. Two corresponding side and angle between these two corresponding side is congruent. Then these two triangles are similar by side angle side test. Therefore, triangle KLM is similar to triangle PQR. Okay. This is the which test? Side angle side test. Clear? Now see the next test for the similarity of the triangle. This is the SSS test. That is the side test. Okay. From that we understand when the ratio of three corresponding side of two triangles are in proportion, then these two triangles are similar by which test? Side test or SS test for the similarity of the triangle. Let's see, in this triangle ABC and PQR, there is no information about the angle, isn't it? But the sides of the triangles are given. AB is given 1, BC is given 2, AC is given 1.5. Another triangle PQR is given 2, QR is given 4 and PR is given 3. Now in this two triangle, okay, correspondence is very important. Now AB is smallest side and PQ is the smallest side in this triangle. Then AB is correspondence with PQ. Next vertex is C and there is R. In this way here we get the correspondence between two triangles. According to correspondence, here we take the triangle in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. First find out the ratio of corresponding side. AB is correspondence with PQ. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to what? AB is given 1, PQ is given 2. Okay. Now second, BC is correspondence with QR. BC upon QR, its ratio is equal to, BC is given 2 upon 4. That is 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. That is 1 upon 2. And third corresponding side is given. AC is correspondence with what? PR. AC is given 1.5. PR is given 3. Okay. Here we put 1.5 upon 3. We shift the decimal point. It becomes 15 upon 30. 15 1s are and 15 2s are. Here we get 1 upon 2. See, in these two triangles, the ratio of their corresponding sides are in proportion. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. All ratio are what? Equal. Therefore, they are in proportion. AB upon PQ is equal to, we can write BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by which test? Side test for the similarity of the triangle. Clear? I hope you understand all these three tests, angle test, or this test we can write angle. If two angles of the triangles are congruent, okay, then third angles automatically we will get the congruent or equal. Okay, if you write only two, if you take only two angles are congruent in the given two triangle, then also this two triangles are similar by angle test, isn't it? Now, and next property is side angle side test, and third one is the side test. Remember these properties or the test for the similarity of the triangle. Now next topic is properties of similar triangle. Now three properties are given. It is very simple. First property is triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. This means triangle is similar to itself. Okay. Then this property is called the reflexivity. Okay. Second property is if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, if one triangle is similar to the another triangle, then this second triangle, then triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. From that we understand if one triangle is similar to the second triangle, then that second triangle or that another triangle is similar to the first one, This property is called the symmetry. This property is called the symmetry. And third property is given, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle GHI. In simple, we can understand, if one triangle is similar to the second triangle and second triangle is similar to the third triangle, then we can write first triangle is similar to the third triangle, and this property is called the transitivity. Okay, first is the reflexivity, second is the symmetry, fourth one is the transitivity. Clear? Okay, remember all these tests and the properties of the similar triangle. Okay, this is all for today, student. Thank you for listening me. Thank you very much.